everybody, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am here with the walkthrough for my latest project for the design team at Country Craft Creations. I have done a baby folio with the Little Lumberjack paper. So this paper is really unique in that it has a lot of really kind of masculine elements to it. It's got some very like camping themed elements to it, but it's also got a bunch of like baby boy type things, like this little bear cub. Just some of the things on the sayings on some of the papers that have, you know, the different words and things on them, that I decided to kind of highlight those and make this more of a baby theme than just a camping or masculine. It could be for a little boy even, but that was kind of what I was aiming for with this. So this is just a little trifold folio. This is 5 by 7 1/8. It is... We just have a little tight closure on here. On the front, I've got one of the cut aparts that I cut down to fit on the front and matted it with one of the solids from the collection, or from the solids pack that matches the collection that is available at Country Craft Creations. I just made a tag out of one of the solids, attached one of the tags from the ephemera packs to the front of it with some ribbon and some jute that I got in my design team package, and that just tucks down here in the front. You could leave this little tag piece hanging out or not. It's entirely up to you. When you open up on this inside pocket or inside page, we've just got some stacked pockets, and I started to just use a graphic 45 tag to just demonstrate on this next page inside how it was staying closed with the tag tucked in there. And honestly, they match really well, and I really liked how they looked with it, so I went ahead and just left them in here. This is actually the longer tag, just cut down and then the corners rounded so that it would fit in this lower pocket. One of the pieces from the ephemera pack. When you open up all the way here, we've got a waterfall that is sitting actually on top of a belly band. So this goes all the way through back behind here. You could make a little booklet that you could tuck in there. You could tuck extra photos in there, however you want to do that. But this is just a little 4x4 waterfall, and I did use the cut aparts along with some of the solids and things from the collection for that. We're going to tie this up again, and then that is, of course, obviously, just held closed with the ribbon here. Well, except I cannot tie. I am very bow challenged. You have no idea. So over here, we've got a pocket. Like I said, I've got the tag tucked in there to hold this closed. This is just a couple of little flip-up photo mats, and you've got just a really good-sized pocket in here to stick other photos and things in. On this side, we've got a photo mat and then pages that flip just like this, and then another pocket in the very back for more photos and things. And these are, since these are 5 by 7, you can get really good-sized pictures on here. You could also go ahead and add solid photo mats on here if you wanted to. I just like the paper, so I'm going to leave it the way it is. There is a little magnet in there just to keep that closed. But then this all just folds up like so, and you've got you a very simple but fun trifold folio. I will be getting the tutorial posted, if not tonight. It is my husband's birthday, and it is date night, so I don't know that I will get the tutorial up tonight. But if I do not, it will be up first thing tomorrow morning. So thanks for checking this out. I hope you end up making one of these folios. Bye!